Did y'all see that sweet ass lady give me this board? I'm hyped. Did y'all see that sweet ass lady give me this board? All right, before I set up this sexy ass board, I need to eat, if y'all don't mind. Let's see what we got in here. Got some dope ass grip tape, but that's for later. Green smoothie, always gotta have my smoothies. Some water, a salad, some basic shit. It's all good though. So yeah, I'm gonna just dig into this and then we'll get to it. Be right back. Oh my God, feels so good. Thank you, thank you. All right, let's get to work. First, we gotta deconstruct my baby. Putting a fresh one on, let's go. I got some new hardware too. We're gonna slap that on. If you noticed, we got some beautiful ass nature going on. And I hope it inspires you to find some nature nearby and go outside and explore. That's always the goal. I'm excited to finally be setting this one up because I haven't had a fresh deck in like 2 months. First deck of Long Beach, got a Kyle Walker reel board. You know I love my reel boards, and Baker, those are probably my favorite boards. But honestly, anything with a sick ass graphic, your boy is gonna cop. Anyways, let's get into this. Got the reel sticker. And then I love their little thing. It says, making decks that help skaters follow their own path is the heart of reel since day one. Have fun out there and keep pushing. I will have fun. Thank you. Put that aside. I also brought my own stickers. You know, we got to put stickers on. I like this kind of Eastern type of vibe to it. Like even the font. It's sick, it's sick. And it goes with the grip. You guys will see in a second. Are you ready? Are you ready? Peep the grip, dude. I'm hyped on this. Yes. Oh my God. I'm so glad you didn't see that in real time. It's all good, it's all good. It's not too bad, shit. Oh my God, it's already looking so sick. All right, let's put the trucks on this baby. I definitely need some new bearings too. These Andalé P-rod bearings are super sick, but I rode through the rain like 1 week after getting them, so I'm just like, I just need to get some reds or something. Probably time for some new wheels. Like 2 of them are starting to get chips in them, so. I don't know about the trucks though. Can you guys leave a comment down below? How often do you change your trucks? I've had mine for a while now, a little over a year. These are independents. Anyone who rocks with indies, let me know. I'm still learning. No shame in that. All right, let's get back to it. Honestly, I'm so thankful to even be able to just sit here and do this, set up a board. I'm so thankful. I want to connect with more of you too. So honestly, hit me up. One sub was from Germany. I sent him some grip tape. Another one, Brax from the Philippines, sent him a board. So hit me up if you want to just talk, get some equipment. We'll make it work. Always. All right, let's put some stickers on this baby. I got stickers for days because I be buying shit from the people that inspired me. I got some stickers from Bobby Boy Records. That's Logic's own production company. Always reppin'. We got some Bob Marley stickers, some Vans stickers. So we'll see how this comes out. Kind of fucked that sticker job up, but it's all good. Younger brother got me a pack of Bob Marley stickers. My music fights against the system that teaches to live and die. Oh my God, looking sexy. All right, let's go shred this baby.
I know the bills late, rent is due, shitty job interviews. So when a nigga vent to you, my problems seem minuscule. How dare I complain about the spoils of fame? It's a nigga that will crash out to get up in my lane. See, I don't have a therapist, this rap shit, I cherish it. Venting on the mic, quite frankly, is embarrassing. It's the only way I can express myself. We all trying to find the answers, I can't guess myself. Last year, I was broke as fuck and doors wouldn't open up. Now I can't roll with us. Somebody grab a rover tux, I'm sick of this. Feeling caged in like Nicholas. Blood pressure, high stress levels is ridiculous. But never woe is me, this is therapeutic poetry. And I don't tell nobody about my problems. So hopefully, this will have a motherfucking snowball effect. Don't move all depressed, just know y'all is blessed. One love. Yeah, yeah. Rap pack, motherfucker, what's up? You know you gotta put the stamp on it. Hey, destined for a life borrowed, but now where I'm living is gated. I made it, made millions on millions. I'm elated, but never outdated. I move with the times, do whatever suits me like Louis Vuitton. One of a kind, the Don, a legend that's destined to pass the baton, and so on. I don't mean to go on. Okay, fine, I'ma get mine, no shade, let me shine. In due time, my rhyme is nothing but classic. Most people fake, nothing but plastic. Get your ass kicked quick, take a sip. Bitches know I'm packing like a trip. Now, get the fuck off my dick, I'm just a man.